Hyundai Construction Equipment India, which is ACIT. Section 4. Charge of income tax, capital or revenue. Subsidy received under incentive scheme for government scheme of Maharashtra. Capital receipt. Okay. Held the subsidy grant by the government of Maharashtra under the package scheme. The incentive 2007 was to encourage industrial growth in less developed area for the state, and qualification of the same is linked with the amount of investment made to setting up an eligible unit. Therefore, subsidy in the capital receipt not chargeable to tax. So I set up a unit. That unit, if it perform properly for 5 years and generate a revenue, I give you some kind of return. The return is a way of grant. That grant, what you do? So I invest something. I'm getting in return. What invest something, plant and machinery. So the amount which specified as per the clause, as per the scheme, to invest there. The investment is net of assets, plant and machinery. That should be the amount which we receive grant, which we receive right now, should be be removed or subtracted from the asset holding value right now, because he charging depreciation on the plant and machinery. It should be charged the holding value. It is not subject to tax. It is exempted income. Okay, that's it. Clear, very good.